Up for sale today, I got a 1964 Corvette Coupe finished in black, the Tuxedo black with black interior, 4-speed, recent all-mechanic restoration, brand new tires and rally wheels, the Stinger hood, all new chrome, trim, interior is excellent. I'm going to walk around the car, show you the flaws, talk about the car, show you the engine because it's gorgeous. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video. They both help me out. I really appreciate it. Like I said, 64 Coupe, Tuxedo black. It's an older paint, but it shows, it's beautiful from 3 feet. When you get close, you find a little bit of checking in some areas. I'll point out some of those areas as I go. Like I said, the chrome, excellent. There is no pitting. If anything, there's a little raindrops because I pull that out, it just starts misting a tiny bit. It has a brand new 350 crate motor, highly detailed engine compartment, and 4-wheel disc brakes. 4-speed manual car. There's a little star right there, a little tiny one about the size of my tip of my pinky. A little bit of checking in this region of the car. Glass is nice, chrome nice, trim nice. I'm trying to think what else is nice. Everything's nice. Rally wheels give it that 67 look with the Stinger hood. There's a little bit of checking here and a little bit there. Open it up and go on inside. Excellent black interior, door panels, seats, headliner light works. Dash is very nice. Show the headliner. I know it's not really showing anything, but yeah, lights work. All the gauges work. Oh, all the electronics were redone as well, along with the mechanics, so everything works. Nice carpet mats with nice carpet below it. Got some speakers in the back. But the interior as a whole is extremely nice. A little more checking in this area. Has California taillights as well, so the 3 in the back, a little modification. Tasteful, nothing like cutting up your wheel wells, stuff like that, taking your bumpers off. Just gives it a sweet look. Again, chrome excellent. If you stick with me a little bit longer, I'm going to pop the hood open and then we'll fire it up, drive it. And then a little more checking in through here. So recently, the all rebuilt transmission, new motor rebuilt, put in. I'm sure they went through the chrome, trim, parts of the interior, like I said, mechanically all redone, electronically all redone. No rips on the seats. I don't know if I said that already. It has dual Borla exhaust. Sounds extremely nice. I was actually thinking about getting Borla on my truck, but my truck's a V6, so I think it would sound a little whiny and raspy, and that's not what I'm looking for. And a little bit more right there. It'll be for sale tomorrow after posting this video, or later today when I'm posting it after the day after I post it. It's pretty much available, so it'll be for sale on eBay as well as nextgenclassiccars.com. The link to both stores will be in the description of the video, so stay tuned. I'm going to fire it up. We're going to drive it, and thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Here's that gorgeous engine compartment I was telling you about. The 350, slightly built, 4-speed, chrome accents, highly detailed aluminum radiator. It's a Griffin radiator.